Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to fold the 5-pointed 3D Ninja Star. Means it's a Pentagon frisbee. This as 3D too. Ready to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. We of course need $5 to fold it. Just split each module into this. But if you don't want to use $5, just take our 6-inch sheets just like this and make it into dollar, like I had taught it earlier last week's tutorial. Alright, one I will use a complicated sheet too, look at little complicated. Alright, we start off with the first module. What we're going to do with this dollar is fold in half and unfold and fold this edge up to the point and then fold this edge up like this, then unfold, then rotate and do repeat and fold this edge up like this. Always you should not do exact fold, just make it a little bit of like this, then fold. I'm gonna zoom on this part, really big zoom, just so we can see this edge and this edge. Visibly, I can show you that this, I can just draw a line over there, this edge and this edge. This is the 3D-ness. And then fold this edge up like this and onto this edge. Don't make a fold, means you're gonna make a fold, but from this edge up right till there and unfold and just repeat upright till this edge. Then what we're gonna do is there is a fold here which you are gonna fold and fold like this, make a fold and make a fold even here too, and then make a fold even here. The first module is ready, and what we have to basically do is we are gonna fold this edge up to this crease, the first one where the module has to be folded down. That makes it to be easy 3D, and do the same. Alright, now the first module is clearly done and it's here. Make more. I want to cut the video. Alright, so all the modules are done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to assemble. First I'm going to take this one and take this one. What we're going to do, you're just going to insert it like we insert the transforming Ninja Star. Insert it like this and fold it down like this. I want to zoom on this part. A little zoom is okay. And just we're going to repeat on the side. And let's take this and do the same. Insert it and insert it. Now the last two are a little bit difficult. You will think that I'm gonna just fold a Ninja Star. It's a 4-pointed 3D, but no, it's the 5-pointed 3D. It's a Pentagon Ninja Star. Repeat. It's, I think, good one. It's all the shapes. The dollars, and okay, as I had told that I will make a dollar tutorial and you guys need to be tuned. Alright, just you're gonna fold it and fold it inside. Remember that the folds should not go out, and just then take this edge and bring it to here. Just rotate the model and fold this edge inside, and those duck edges too. And yes, just we need to stick, means we are gonna push in the pocket. Oops, the 3D-ness. Just alright, just push it and push it, and it's like this, and yes, it's the 3D one too. Hope you guys were able to fold this Pentagon frisbee, and see you guys later. Bye bye. Ow! This is, I want to bite it. Oh, I'm a monster off here. Ooh. Ow! 2 Pentagon frisbees, attack! This one, which is the winner? Ow! Both win and both lose. Both win. Hope you guys are able to fold this, and if you're not able to fold this, I might make a redo. So write in the comments if you're not able to fold this model. I hope you can fold this 3D version, because it's the first 3D model I'm folding ever on YouTube, except the diamond. Or here it is. Hope you guys were able to fold this, and see you all guys later. Bye bye. Woof.